आओ गुरु दी प्यारी साध संगत जी मिलके गज के बुलाइए वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। ये बहुत मान वाली गल है। आप फिर भैन ते भरा सिख भैन ते भरा इकट्ठे होके अपना इतिहास अपना कल्चर अपनी रिलीजन सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं। पर एक होर असी नोट करना कि यह शोकेस है अपनी image that दूजी community nu as well. There's so many brothers and sisters that are coming from American community, and we got to show them that we're a peace-loving community that just wants to make the city better as well as around us. And that's the same thing that we're trying to do in politics. That the Ashirwad now, if ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਇੰਨੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਹੀ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਸਾਲ in city council, we got 3,400 votes. And we made a promise. ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ promise ਕਰਕੇ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਹੈ. My brother Amarpal, who's running for judicial delegate. My brother Jinder Singh Nijja, who's running for district leader. And we have 4 other Sikhs that are running. They ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਆਸ਼ਰਵਾਦ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣੇ 6ਵੇਂ ਤੇ 6ਵੇਂ ballot ਤੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ. And we want to make sure we continue to have your support. Because elected officials आंदे ते हैगे बजट जिन्हां ने पैदल चलना है अपनी कम्युनिटी ने चलना पैदल तड़ना right. And another thing जिदे hate crime सारे करके गए ने सारे आंदे ते हैगे ने सानू वादा करके जाते भी दोंगे support भी दोंगे. When the lights turn off, the cameras are gone, so are they. So we want to make sure that we keep the government accountable, which is why we're running for office. We want to make sure that Sikhs finally have a seat on the table, but it's not going to be possible without your support. Elections are in June 28th. In Queens, we're running from Richmond Hill area. Just little Punjab, जिथे 3 बुजुर्गां नु हुनी assault कीता. Then guess what? Ohi criminal face साडे सड़कां च वापस आ गए ने. And we need to make sure we finally have a seat on the table so no one gets beat up and no one gets assaulted, and we make sure we can get our identity. We can talk about Sikh genocide. We can talk about the Freedom Bill. We can talk about Khalistan. We can talk about all those things that are important to our community, but we cannot talk about them until we get our foot in the door. So please support. Thank you so much. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.